Welcome to STK Performance. Today, we're going to explain a few areas of why we use performance forged valves. Pretty much, the material specification is totally different to the OEM produced valves. With regards to material and the production of a one-piece valve, we are generally looking at a standard valve, which will be made of two materials and generally fusion welded together. So the head of the valve may be stainless steel, but the stem of the valve is made from a different material, as mentioned, fusion welded together. Unfortunately, using an OEM valve with an upgraded valve spring is generally not a good idea to do. And the reason for that is that with the pressure of the valve spring closing in comparison to OEM, you're generally looking at the force of the seating area or the head of the valve closing against the seat would generally pull the head of the valve off, causing catastrophic engine failure.